Hello everyone, welcome back to our programming series. In today, we're going to solve SkillRack daily challenge. That is, function, getAllDigitsAsUnitDigit. So, what does this function do? The getAllDigitsAsUnitDigit function accepts an integer n as input and returns a new integer formed by replacing all the digits of n with its unit digit. Here's how it works. We start by finding the unit digit of n using the modulo operation, n%10, and storing it in the variable unit. Then, we initialize a variable x to 0. This variable x will store the final integer formed by replacing the digits of n with the unit digit. Next, we enter a while loop where we repeatedly extract digits from the number n inside the loop. We update x by multiplying its current value by 10, shifting digits to the left, and then adding the unit digit to the rightmost position. We divide n by 10, n/equals 10, to move to the next digit for the next iteration until n becomes 0. Finally, we return the integer x, which represents the number formed by replacing all the digits of n with its unit digit. Hope you found this explanation helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more programming challenges and solutions. Thanks for watching.